Labis na ipinagluluksa ngayon ng pamilya ni Aiza Seguera ang pagpanaw ng kanyang ina na si Mommy Karing. Sa pamamagitan ng social media post ngayong araw, malungkot na ibinalita ni Aiza Seguera na pumanaw kaninang umaga ang kanyang ina. Bandang alas 7:44 ng umaga, naglabas ng mahabang pahayag si Aiza patungkol sa pagpanaw ng kanyang ina na si Mommy Karing.
This morning, at 7:54 a.m., our family said goodbye to the most amazing woman I've ever known, my mom, Mommy Karing. Mama lived a full and beautiful life. She was strong, kind, funny in her own quiet way, and always there. Mula bata pa ako hanggang ngayon, she never left my side. Every show, every gig, every milestone, she was there. She was always present. Papadalhan akong mga paborito kong pagkain. Masahe kapag masakit ang ulo ko. She made sure she was there kahit may sarili na kaming mga buhay. Walang palya. She supported me not just as an artist, but as her child. She was my fiercest protector. She accepted me and embraced me for who I am, especially who I am not. She was my first teacher, my constant cheerleader, my rock. Losing her this morning feels like losing a part of myself. Pero promise ko sa iyo, diba mama, brava ako. Ikaw ang nagturo sa akin kung paano maging matatag sa haraping may kasakit na binabatong buhay. I won't fail you. Promise ko yun. She is survived by me and my brother, Juan Carlos Miguel. We will be sharing details of her wake later today. Right now, I just want to ask for your prayers and your love for our family, and most of all, for my beloved mama. Salamat po sa lahat ng nakasama namin sa buhay niya. Salamat sa lahat ng nagmahal at tinuturing din siyang nanay. You all made her very happy. We'll miss you forever, Mama. Pero magkasama na kayo ni Daddy. And that gives me comfort. Mahal na mahal kita, Mama ko.
Hindi idinetaye ni Aiza Seguera ang dahilan ng pagpanaw ng kanyang ina. Sa comment section, nagpaabot naman ng pakikiramay ang mga kaibigan at taga-suporta ni Aiza Seguera sa kanya.